Hey there, quick review on this MacSports extended folding wagon. As you can see here, it comes with a nice case that goes around it. The case is actually a little bit unnecessary. You don't even need it if you don't want to mess with taking it on and off all the time. But it's just got a couple snaps down here, and then it'll pull right off and give you access to your wagon. As you can see here, like I was talking about, you can carry this around, pack it up without needing that case. So it's really not an essential accessory. To unfold the wagon, all you gotta do is open up the handles up here and it will fold down and open right up. The handle on the front here does extend. Simply pop that open, and then it's got a switch here that'll allow you to open it up and use this at a more comfortable height. You'll notice the front wheels pivot and the back wheels are stationary. With this being the extended wagon, it is pretty long, makes it maybe a little bit tougher to steer and maneuver around tight places, but still with those front wheels having complete range of motion, it's pretty easy to maneuver this around. Obviously, if you're looking at this wagon, this is the extended version, and it's going to be probably about a foot or a foot and a half longer than the standard version. Now, the manufacturer doesn't really advertise this as being used to transport kids around. If you've got larger kids, it might not be ideal for that, but there is kind of some beefed up padding on the bottom here that helps distribute the weight. So if you've got a small kid, maybe even two small kids, you'll probably still be able to haul them around just fine. It's just not something the manufacturer recommends. So whenever you're done using this, you can just pop the handle down. Very easy to do that. The handle doesn't fall down, which is nice. And then there are just simply two tabs here in the center that you pull up, and it folds right back up. Attach the handle together with the Velcro, and you're in business, ready to move it around. Now, if you think you want the additional length of the extended wagon, but you're not sure if it's worth it versus the more standard size wagon, here you can see the extended wagon is not much bigger at all. It takes up hardly any additional space versus the standard size unit. And weight, they're pretty much similar. I really barely notice the extended wagon being heavier. So size and weight, not really much of a factor if you want that extended length. Personally, I think this is a great wagon at a great price point, and really it couldn't be easier to use. A kid is going to be able to even use this just fine as far as folding and unfolding it. And moves around pretty well. It's going to be great for transporting groceries, things for kids, sports events, whatever it may be. You can put a lot of stuff in this and get it from point A to point B easily, or just take the kids for an evening stroll down the street. It's going to be great for a lot of different things, and I think it's a great value overall.